All right. My name is Maureen Martinez. This is my husband Dave. We're here from Round Rock, Texas, down in beautiful South Padre Island. And today we wanted to take a sandcastle lesson from Andy and Max to further our skills that we started probably 7 or 8 years ago. We took our first lesson here on the beach.
Yeah, we come down to South Padre Island about once a year, so really we don't get the opportunity to practice all that much. But when we do, we try to spend a few days just seeing what we can knock out. But unfortunately, we kind of got into a rut where we're having a hard time visualizing how to approach the entire castle building experience. We could do the top of the castles pretty well, but when we got down to the base, it started really being a challenge. So Andy's been a great help in terms of helping us look at it architecturally and come up with good ideas for how to break it up and combine texture, combine straight, solid surfaces to give a much more appealing castle. And then of course we wanted to get faster, and so that's been a big thing for Andy, teaching us how to speed up our process, which was incredibly slow in the past.
Yeah.
But now I think we're going to be able to achieve much more and work from a larger set of forms and larger structure to begin with. So
Right.
We're looking forward to that.
I'm a big fan of the curved features that are more organic, and Andy's given us some really good tips on how to just, cut into the block and move, shapes together so that they all work together. And a big part of it was how you connect structures. So if you've got tower and tower, how do you start to bring them together organically so that they look like they flow? And we have some homework to do. We've got to keep our stuff straight. We have to look down the spatula.
Technique.
Technique is very important. So we have practice to do.
Well, this was a lot of fun. We had a great time taking a lesson from Andy and Max. So
It's a fun
I encourage
day.
everybody to do so.